it's December 8th and I just want to show you how dark it is. It's just a few minutes before 3 o'clock. Now I will turn on a light because I think it's very dark.
Let's make this miracle happen. So this much. Okay, I hope this is good.
And now it's a little bit better, I think. We'll try. It's not a super bright. It's more to the lower side, this light. And let's take out Advent. Alexa is snoring very loudly, and let's look for 8. I found it. I found it, and let's open it. I hope it's not too dark. Let's look to this. Yes, I hope it's not too dark because I didn't want to make super bright light. And wow, it's a lot. It's a lot. Actually, I don't know how I will film it. I hope my camera will take it, but to see what color it is, actually, I need to go by window. Wow. So, do you see this? I really like it. It's so interesting, and I love that I can try some different colors which I usually don't choose. Maybe this would be, but in the last time I really like purple, wine red color. So yes, thank you, Martina. I really love it. It's so a lot. And actually this light one, I didn't read it. It's a sock yarn by Ruby and Rose. 41 grams. Oh my god. It's so generous. Really thank you. Let's put it back, and I will take a snap, and I hope I will not forget it. But I wanted to show you first my small project progresses. It's very hard to switch between my knits because I like them all. Only one I can't knit today because this one I can't knit because it's black. Well, it's very hard to knit black color, therefore I will just wait for the better lighting, better day. It's really a gloomy day, but actually day is going to the dark side already. Then Alexa, you're snoring so loudly. And then I made quite a huge progress. I was knitting yesterday, very obsessed, like knit, and listening crime stories. And I even skipped lunch. My daughter made for herself lunch. And I had extra time to knit. So, and I'm thinking maybe I will knit more. Yesterday I wanted to reach and knit out this red color, so I think I will do this, and after all I will make a place for a heel. I think it will be good. And yeah, and next one, so I'm reminding you this socks will be for my son. And I have a plan to knit 2 more for my girls. I don't know, will I manage it to the Christmas time? I really hope. And next one, which also took my attention, and I really love to knit it because it's a very pleasant yarn and actually quite a fun knit, because this one yarn has also a spackle in white color speckles, and when I see it in the knit, it reminds me like there is a snowflakes on my knit. So it's so, I don't know, so wintry knit actually. I really love it, and it's so soft and fluffy. And more I knit with alpaca brushed silk yarn. I'm thinking that so I have in the future planned to knit for my son a sweater, and I was planning to use my super bright royal blue yarn, which was my scarf before, mixed with kid silk mohair. But kid silk mohair is quite itchy, and not so far time ago I was wearing this Christmassy type sweater, like beige with red, and there is also cashmere merino blend yarn mixed with kid silk mohair, and I can say it's very itchy. And for me, I'm now quite sensitive here around, actually everywhere. I don't know, is it a reason because of heating, or maybe because it's cold outside, but I feel that my skin is itchy all the time. And yes, and I decide that teenagers also are quite sensitive, so I will change to this, and I will buy for him alpaca brushed silk hair, and that one I just will use for myself. Because when it's okay, I handle this material, get silk hair, but it's much more itchiest than this soft cloud. Actually, it's not itchy at all. It's so soft and nice. I really suggest you. And it's a fun to knit from different color, because I had experience only with a gray and dark beige or light brown, hard to say, like a caramel color. Yes, and I really enjoyed to knit this project, and I'm happy to use a gifted yarn, and I have fun to use this this Christmas tree. It's also giving a Christmas mood. This is from Martina. I really like it. Even my son noticed this beautiful marker. So also my project. And yesterday I started a new project. I had cashmere yarn in beige and dark red color, and I was looking for perfect color work Christmassy mood, but it was very hard because this is quite small gauge. It's a fingering type of yarn, and finally I found out a perfect pattern, which are as a gift from my group that is running by Martina too. And there is a girl, Ali. She has also a channel at YouTube. She's very fast knitter. I really like to see everything what she's doing. She gifted some pattern, and I was happy to see that finally I see something perfect for this yarn, and I will use it, and I will show you. It's hard to take it. I don't know, will you see the colors? Also, I will film some snap, but it's a festive sweater from Petite Knit. I already knitted the collar. I already knitted the short rows, and I didn't bring here, but actually it's very, you feel like oily yarn, this one, and right now maybe it looks very wonky, how you spell it, uneven stitches, but believe me, after you wash it, this yarn opens a lot. It becomes much more fluffiest, and I hope to manage. I need to wrap up very fast, not to lose light, and I hope to manage to film and show you. And yes, and my plan for today is knit this till the red color, so, and make a red color like color work, and after all one round of this beige, and then I have a plan actually to knit a tessellated sweater today, and we will have a movie night, and I hope to manage like finish backs. I think yes, it's a back. I need to finish back, and if I will get to the sleeves, I think it will be much faster and easiest to knit, because this neckline place and how to make a shoulder line, it's all took too much attention for me, but I need to do this finally. So, and I'm really happy to start some very Christmassy too project, like a sweater. Who knows, will I finish it till the Christmas? But actually it's such a pleasant to knit a petite knit pattern. It seems it's going on so fast, because you know her style, how she writes a pattern, and it's knit so fast. I really enjoy, and mostly this will be a stockinette, so I think it will be a fast project, and I'm really thankful for the group and this option to get us a gift, this pattern, and use it right now in this Christmas time. So yeah, I will enjoy this day. I think I will not film a lot, but it's a second Advent time. We will light up a second candle, and I wish you a very peaceful, calm and warm Advent day, or for everyone who doesn't celebrate this Advent time, just a calm, warm and cozy Sunday. Bye.